Hi. Let's learn about household employees. A household employee is someone who is paid to provide a service in their employer's home. Examples of household employees include babysitters, nannies, and gardeners. It's important to note that independent contractors like repairmen, carpenters, and plumbers are not considered household employees. The IRS distinguishes household employees from independent contractors based on who determines the work and how it is carried out. Household employees work in their employer's residence, while independent contractors provide their own tools and offer their services to the public. For example, a childcare worker performing services in an employer's home may be a household employee, while the same worker in a daycare center is employed by the center. Household workers may be paid on an hourly, daily, weekly, or per-job basis, regardless of whether they work full-time or part-time. Some common examples of household workers include babysitters, caretakers, cleaning people, drivers, housekeepers, maids, nannies, private nurses, and yard workers. Employers who pay household employees more than $2,300 in cash wages during the tax year must pay Social Security, Medicare, and federal unemployment taxes, along with possible state taxes. This is often referred to as the nanny tax. As of 2021, the withholding amount for Social Security taxes is 6.2% and the sum for Medicare taxes is 1.45% for a total of 7.65% withheld from cash wages. Employers must also match that 7.65% for a total of 15.3% withheld. New household employees must use the redesigned W-4 tax form upon hire as of 2020. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Household employees work and provide all services at their employer's place of residence. 2. Nannies, babysitters, housekeepers, and gardeners are all considered to be household employees. 3. The IRS sees a household employee as having work decided by an employer and an independent contractor as having work defined by the worker. 4. As of 2020, all new household employees must fill out the revised W-4 form, though those hired before 2020 do not need to fill out a new form. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.